Welcome back traders to ForexMindsHub. Before we jump into today's topic, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only. In this video, I will go over the chart settings of DXTrade, like how you can set up a different customization, just like you were doing it in MT4. So as you can see, the default layout is you have like a watch list here, and on the right hand side you have chart. You can readjust the size here, just like we were doing it in MT4, and also you can create your own watch list, as I covered in the last video. You can create different instruments that are part of your watch list. So now we are going to readjust the window so we can focus more on the actual chart. So over here we'll look at how we can change the colors. We'll click on settings, click on the color. If you want to change whatever color you like, we click blue. Same here, click on blue here. As you can also hide grid, uncheck show grid, click OK, and here you go. I'll go back to settings here, and we can change the background color. I like black. I'll click on black. You can select any color you like, and we can save this layout. Like if you click on this default option, you can click save as my defaults. So in this way, like anytime you want to go back and restore to your settings, you can do that. Click on OK. So let's say if you launch again, you use the FTMO default layout, FTMO layout, load layout. Just give it a couple of seconds while it's reloading it. So it will load the default settings that are part of FTMO layout. So we can go back here in the chart, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna do like restore to my default the way we saved it earlier. So we'll go back to settings, click on drop down for default, restore to my default, and here you go. Simple. While we're on this screen, we'll look at the second option for padding. So what it does is you can have like more space on top and bottom. So if I move this tab, you can see the numbers are increasing, and on the right hand side you can see more data over here. So it is adjustable however you want to adjust it. So right here, move all the way up. So it is again personal preference, however you like it. Same thing at the bottom, just look at the data. Like if you'll move to right, you'll see like more data is visible. Third option is like 10 bars to right. So again, like how much space you want on your right side. If you want to have like more space, you can increase to like 15 bars, or if you want less space, you can increase to, let's say, 5 bars. So like all sort of customization is there. So depending on your preference, you can select the way you like it. So click OK, and I'll go back to layout here, save layout. So I can save the settings if I like this layout. So anytime I want to load the platform, I want like whatever instrument I want to load, this is the layout, this is how I want my chart to look like. So this is how I can do it. So load layout. So again, we're testing it. Give it a couple of seconds while it is loading. And again, this is the default layout. Now I'll go back, change the layout to test load layout. Again, give it a couple of seconds. And there you go. So this is my like a favorite layout where we have like a watch list on the left, like a adjusted sizes adjusted. What you can do is you can add your favorite indicators here that you want to make a part of your default layout, so it will load up. And sometimes you have to go back between line chart and bar because sometimes it does not get visible right away, so you just have to play around with it. But now you can again save this layout again, and every time you will load this layout you will see your moving average and RSI loaded as well. You can either create a new layout here, like or you can override it. Let's say save layout as, and I can replace it, or you can create a new one. So it's really up to you, however you want it. Other thing I would like to just quickly go over here. Zoom. So you can zoom in any part of candles here. So you just use the zoom option, select the area, and you can zoom in and then again zoom out. It's simple, but again sometimes you just have to play around, or you have to reload it, refresh it, because it does not take effect right away. Other thing is, like if you have multiple screens, you want to have multiple instruments, then you can click on this icon and it will detach that chart, and you can drag it to your secondary monitor. And now you want to load another chart, just click on chart window, chart option over there. It will load a new chart, and you can repeat the same process. You can click on detach and again drag it to your third monitor, or however you like it. And that concludes our video over here, and I'll create more videos. Please like and subscribe for more contents. Thanks for watching.